Hello, my dear students. I Deepak series here with some new questions of exercise 1.3 of class 7. Now, here, first question is here, the question number 6. It is saying a certain freezing process requires that room temperature is lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी द रूम टेम्परेचर इज गिवन है 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस। जो रूम का टेम्परेचर है वो 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है और पर आवर में जो टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज हो रहा है वो 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। सो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर पर आवर इक्वल्स टू -5 बिकॉज इट इज डिक्रीजिंग हियर। Now the temperature after 10 hour it is asking. So first we will find here that how much temperature will get changed in 10 hours. So change in temperature in 10 hour equals to 10 into -5, which is equals to -50 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of room after 10 hour, the total temperature was there 40 degrees Celsius. If we will add here the temperature after the 10 hour, so changes we will get here the temperature after the 10 hour. So that is 40. अगर हम जैसे हमें इसका टेम्परेचर 40 डिग्री दिया है और चेंज आया है -50 डिग्री सेल्सियस का, जो टेम्परेचर में चेंज है अगर हम उसको 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस के साथ ऐड कर दें तो हमें टोटल रूम का टेम्परेचर पता चल जाएगा कि 10 आवर बाद उसका टेम्परेचर कितना होगा। सो द टेम्परेचर ऑफ रूम आफ्टर 10 आवर इक्वल्स टू 40 degree plus -50 degree. Whenever we will open the bracket here, plus minus will become here minus. So 40 minus 50 will become here -10 degree Celsius. Now question number 7 is here. Question number 7 is saying in a class test containing 10 questions. It means total number of questions are there 10. Now it is saying 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. It means that marks for a correct answer equals to 5. Now it is saying and every correct answer and -2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. It means that marks for an incorrect answer is there -2. Now it is saying marks 0 for questions not attempted. It means that marks for not attempted questions is equals to 0. Now on the basis of that one, first question is here. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? It means that Mohan's score will be equals to उसने 4 correct answer दिए तो 4 correct answer into the marks awarded for each correct answer, that is 4 into 5. Sorry. And every incorrect answers are there 6, and for the marks the marks awarded for every incorrect answer is there -2. So that is 6 into -2. So it will become here 20 minus 12. So whenever we will subtract it, that time we will get here the total score of one, that is the 8 marks. Now second number part is here. Reshma gets 5 correct answer. It means that whenever she is getting here 5 correct answer, so marks awarded for each correct answer is equals to 5. So we will take here 5 into 5. Now it is here and 5 incorrect answer, and also she is doing here 5 incorrect answer and marks awarded for every incorrect answer is there -2. So it will become here 5 into -2. Now solve it. It will become here 25 minus 10. So that is equals to 15 marks. Now third number is here. It is saying Hina gets 2 correct answer. She is getting here 2 correct answer. Marks awarded for every correct answer. Now you will multiply it plus 5 incorrect answer. So 5 into marks awarded for every incorrect answer, that is 5 into -2, and 3 questions out of 7 questions she attempts. Now because it is saying out of 7 questions she attempted and total questions was there 10. So this time because she is attempting here 7 questions, so we will subtract the 7 from the 10. It means that 3 questions are there which she not attempt. So we will take here plus 3 into marks not given for every not attempt questions. So that is 3 into 0. Now 2 5s are 10 minus, because plus minus will become a minus, 5 2s are 10 and 3 zeros are 0. Solve it. It means that Hina's score is here 0. Now next one question is here, that is question number 8. a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag. It means that whenever a cement company is selling their cement bags, in that case, on every white cement bag, she is getting, the company is getting here rupees 8. On every selling of grey cement bag, she is losing there rupees 5. It means that the company is getting here 5 rupees loss. So in that case, it is saying the company sells 3000 white cement bags. It means number of white cement bags sold equals to 3000, because every white cement bag's profit is there rupees 8. So total profit on white cement bag is equals to 3000 into 8. It means that is rupees 24,000 profit. Now it is saying and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. So number of grey cement bags sold equals to 5000, and loss on each grey cement bag is equals to rupees 5. So that is loss on grey cement, total grey cement bags sold in a month equals to 5000 into 5, which is equals to 25,000, because loss is greater than profit. 25,000 is greater than 24. So therefore here is the loss. Loss is equals to 25,000 minus 24,000. So there is a loss of rupees 1,000. Now it is saying in second part, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey cement bags sold is 6400 bags. Because we don't know that how many white cement bags the company will sell here, so we will take here, let the number of white cement bag be X. Now because number of white cement, whenever we want no profit no loss, that time number of white cement bags sold into profit per bag should be equals to number of grey cement bags sold into loss per bag. So it means that whenever we don't know this one, so we will put here which we assume, that is X into profit is there on each bag rupees 8. So X into 8 equals to the company is selling here 6,400 bags. Company is selling here 6,400 bags. So we will take here 6,400 into 5. So X is equals to 6,400 into 5 upon 8. Now because 8 is multiplying here, so on shifting it will divide here. So it will be here 800. So X is equals to 8 5s are 44,000 bags of white cement will be sold by the company. So guys, these are the questions. After that there is only the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, just try to do yourself on the basis of this one. Okay, so this one is the last question according to the statement in your exercise. After that is the fill in the blanks, so you will do yourself. I hope that you better understand these all questions. If any problem in any question is there, just leave in comment box. I will see that, I will give you the answer, and just tell me that how was it, because I am not getting your likes. So give me your likes. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. I will send the next one video for the next one exercise next day. So up to that time, bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.